Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. I hope my camera's got enough battery. Hope my pants are up. I figured before tomorrow, I want to get this put together. So just before we get too far into this, so this is for my Bayliner. It's a 1950 classic, and I finally got a new Bimini top for it. Again, the boat's nothing to really go fancy about, right? I only paid $2,000. Hey, YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here again. GoPro died like usual. I hope that the previous clip was recorded, but if it wasn't, welcome to my video. Basically, I'm recording the video on my Bimini top. I have my Bayliner boat. Let's try that again. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath because I ran really fast to get the battery. I'm already out of breath from it. But let me put you all, let's see, maybe right there. Let's see if that works. So, I'm excited because the Bimini top that I had was really bad. It was shot. This is also blue. My wife loves blue. Make sure everything I get is blue for my wife. Here we go. So, one by one, we're going to cut everything up. I should have grabbed a scissors ahead of time. But I didn't, so here we go. That, apologize, no socks, no nothing. Shorts feel like they're hanging low too. I am falling apart tonight, YouTube. Falling apart, but it's alright. We will get this done in the blink of an eye, because that is what we do. Let's separate everything. Make sure there's nothing else with a bunch of clips and stuff on it. Yep, it looks good. Alright, so here is our canvas top. That's pretty cool. Pretty big too. Man, how does this even go? Alright. Yeah, I don't know how any of this goes, but I guess we're gonna find out. Hopefully I get enough, it looks like I'm probably gonna have to add some connectors to the boat, which is fine. Let's see, so how does this look? So the circular connectors, so we'll lay this flat. Front of cover. Does it say that? How do we know if it's the front? Down with sleeves up. It says front of cover, but I don't know what the front of the cover is supposed to look like. So we got these. Does it show in the picture? Front of cover. So I'm gonna guess the front of the cover is the side, but the pictures and stuff on it. Oh, okay, I see what they're saying. And well, this will be interesting. Let's see if we can still do it, YouTube. I don't know. Let's see, I'm gonna put this through here. Definitely not. No way this is even close to long enough. No way. Nope. Unless it comes out or something. That's not it. So which part are they talking about here? Oh, so these get connected. Okay, I see. These do go this way. But I guess we gotta bunch it up for now. Just like that. The same for the middle. And last but not least, okay, there we go. We're getting there. Still got battery? We still got battery. We are doing good. If mounting rear support pole, which I probably will. Attach long. I feel like that's the only way to actually do it. Okay. Let's get all this taken apart. So we got this. Okay. That. Again, we're gonna Bimini accessories. We're definitely gonna attach the support poles. Ooh, that's a bunch of accessories and stuff and things. Let's get everything else out. Probably gonna speed this up so it's not as long for everybody. So I guess let's show it. This doesn't make sense. So we got like one long one, which I guess would be this. All right, but to attach in the front, no. Long one, back. Yeah, yep. So, I think it goes this way. Cool. All right. might have this backwards. They're not really good at labeling any of this, YouTube. I'm just gonna set up a time lapse. Stand by. All right, YouTube. So I guess until I get it on the boat tomorrow, this is it. This is the top for, I think I paid 320 bucks for it. This is not bad at all. I like the blue. I think this is the blue we're going to keep with the boat. This is going to be what everything's going to be accented with. This is really nice. You know, I only got the aluminum brackets, but I think aluminum's going to work out perfect. I am really happy with my purchase. So there she is. Again, I'm probably going to waterproof all this just to be on the safe side, but you know, one thing you all got to keep in the back of your minds with this is how many times I'm really going to use this a year. For like 2 or 3 weeks a year, this is more than perfect. So I'm excited. Hope you're all excited. I never thought we'd get the boat stuff, but here we are. Stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.